is definitely the place to be for all your hottest in entertainment and lifestyle, in fashion, and so much more. My name is Ajwa Frimpoma, and you're most welcome to MX Breakz right here on MX24 TV. I'm excited because there's a lot to talk about today, so let's get straight into our stories. Now, we're starting our stories with Medikal and Sheldon. Yes, they are each other's neck, and that's all because over the weekend, Sheldon made a statement saying that he wished that Medikal's nomination of Album of the Year will be replaced with the Odyssey by Ara the J. As earlier, when the nominations list came out, a lot of people were actually very disappointed that Ara the J's The Odyssey wasn't in the album. A lot of people have said that when they compare The Odyssey to Medikal's album, they see no reason why Medikal's album will be there and the Odyssey won't be there. But this brought up some heated argument online on X, and a lot has been said. But let's take a look at the video and the Twitter X space that Medikal made, explaining the side of his story.
How you see, Sheldon, me and like, there's never been a problem. I'll say people they hear me.
Oh yeah,
We they hear you. Perfect. You see, there's never been a problem. Sheldon be somebody way. Actually, I don't go even lie. Like, I miss whatever they go on sometimes with Ian and other industry players and, certain creatives where some of them happen to be like my friends and family as well, I know they even hold any grudge against them in any way, shape, or form because me, the way I know they inherit anybody in beef or anybody in problem. You understand what I tell? So you see, ask me, are they on the internet? Are they scroll for TikTok where I see some video where Sheldon the talk say make then promote my album, my body of work, Distribution 2, and replace them with somebody in album. I feel some type of way, you get me? Say normally, if I could pick phone, put my face, and, start talk my mind about something, then me say that thing really be something very, personal or something very serious way. It need my attention to even, for me to even, engage myself because me normally I see a lot of things where they make, they make I feel some type of way, but they become slide because sometimes.
Well, so this is what Medikal had to say about what Coach Sheldon said, that his album should be replaced by another album. Well, we hope that they sort out issues now.